AI platforms are shifting toward pipeline automation. Instead of prompting every frame, you build a rigid visual framework once. And since Stickmen are practical for almost any niche, I'll use them to show you exactly how to build these videos. Hey everyone, Nova here. Today I'm showing you how to build these skill templates, plus a way to create comics from one simple idea. It's honestly super easy to set up, and it's going to save you so much time. Let's jump right in and I'll show you. Head over to Camika Labs. Links in the description. It's a centralized workspace designed to standardize and automate your entire production pipeline. Here's the interface. Under Quick Generate, you can access models like Nano Banana 2, GPT Image 2, and Seedance 2 for images, video, or music. Here is the music video generator, which builds full sequences from a single idea. There's also the Comic Studio and the Workshop. We'll dive into those in this video. If you click Templates, you'll see a library of skills. These are frameworks other users have already built and shared. Camika Labs uses Claude on the back end, and so when you start a new skill, it basically builds the technical framework for you. Now, let's build one. Click on Workshop, then Create Skill. You'll see two architectural options here, Solo Skill and Combo Skill. A solo skill lets you lock visual rules and parameters for one specific engine, like Nano Banana 2, for a highly controlled task. Combo skills build an automation pipeline, chaining different models together. It lets you engineer an entire production sequence from just one prompt. For example, you can have GPT Image generate a locked 2D asset, which then gets pushed automatically into Seedance for animation. Every template follows this architecture. First, we set the law. These are the rules the AI is never allowed to break. Next, we define the inputs, which is what you'll actually upload or type. Finally, we build the pipeline architecture. This is just the step-by-step logic of how the models talk to each other to give you that final result. For my workflow, I use this structure to create a 15-second animation from a simple idea, while keeping the character locked as a 2D stickman. Let's look at the other options here. Auto lets the AI figure out the multi-step pipeline for you based on your idea. Social targets specific formats for different platforms, while text plus image is strictly for building articles and blogs without video. Canvas Grid is cool because it splits your output into multi-panel layouts. And then there's Ref Video, which extracts frames from a clip you upload to clone its exact layout. For this one, I'll select video and set the render engine to Seedance Omni. Once you set your parameters, the system generates the pipeline architecture for you to review. Before we hit go, we need to verify the logic sequence. Once you're sure the logic is sound, you just initialize the build. The backend is now compiling everything into a permanent, reusable template. Now, let's look at the execution. I ran the pipeline using our test variable, the idea, Stickman assembling furniture, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Here is the generated result. Now, I'll run the exact same prompt, but change the duration to 15 seconds. Here are the results for that one. Now, let's look at the easiest way to create comics using the Comic Studio. It's built to turn a single idea into a full story. Select the Comic Studio and just input your base story idea. I'm pasting in that 4-panel ramen noodle script we talked about. In the first step, the system analyzes the prompt and generates the script for each act. You can manually approve or change the logic here. I'll go ahead and approve this sequence. Next, the engine defines your character variants and assets. Okay, I'll approve the assets. In the next step, you choose your style. You can choose from over 140 styles to match your specific vision. I'm choosing a minimalist style to match our 2D Stickman look. Using the approved story and style, the system generates a master character sheet to enforce consistency. It generates our kitchen environment. Now, just click on Storyboard. This is the step right before the final generation where you decompose the acts. It shows you the full plan for each panel, and you have total control to edit anything here if it's not quite right. This ensures every single panel is exactly how you want it. I'll skip ahead for now and let me show you the final results. Actually, pure 2D line art is incredibly hard for models like Seedance too. These engines naturally want to render 3D shapes and realism. But as you can see, when you lock in the right architecture and strict constraints, you can force the engine to work perfectly. And that was a quick wrap on this tool. Also, definitely check out the newly released Manga Studio and MV Studios on Camika Labs. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay guys, I've put the full skill script and the Stickman video prompt in the description below as an example. Thanks for hanging out today, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.